are complementary opposites. Yin, all things that manifest as passive or receptive. Yang, all things that manifest as active or aggressive. You cannot have the one without the other. The universe, therefore, is one vast harmonious process. Even when it seems to be in conflict and chaos, it finds a way to regenerate itself into a continuum that has a balance to it. Winter has a little yang in it, which expands to cause growth and development. Summer has a little yin in it, which eventually expands into winter. Without rest, the earth cannot provide. The earth needs a fallow time. If you're constantly in harvest, sowing and harvest, you deplete the earth of its ability to reproduce. So the earth naturally, nature naturally provides a rest. This is the yin. And then it goes back into sowing and harvesting, and that's the yang. That's when the energy starts to make things happen. Without the rest, you cannot have harmony. So in the human experience, the same thing occurs. You need activity and you need rest. Rest is not sleeping. Sleeping is a time for your body to recalibrate itself. But it's talking about the life that's lived. Time of reflection, time of meditation, time of silence, time of activity, time of sharing, sometimes time of conflict. We have to get through our differences. We don't always have to be warlike in it. We can have discussions, we can have disagreements, but somewhere in this, Taoism says we have to find a balance so that life is a fulfilling life until the day returns to the Tao. Is that too complicated for everybody? Any questions about Taoism? Can anybody see why it was so attractive in the 60s and 70s? Things were pretty chaotic and people just wanted it to stop. I mean, there was a lot of violence, a lot of protesting. People just wanted a break from it. Well, we're going back to conflict again. And sooner or later, that'll probably find a passive place of rest until it happens again. It's part of the human experience. Any questions from any people? So this is nuts and bolts. The notes are real important. I would focus also on that short video about yin and yang. You'll see that as well. It's a little refreshing to listen to the fellow tell you some of the dynamics of it. And that'll be half your quiz. The other half on Thursday will be Hinduism, okay? If you came in late, let me know you're here.